Okay. So we shall now move to the next segment of today's evening, the award ceremony. So ACM India has constituted various awards, which has always motivated the community to set goals to achieve them. So this year we have three new awards, a bigger motivation for the community to achieve them from next year. Those who missed this year can try hard for the next year's awards. So I would request the award steering committee chair, Pankaj Jalote, to give a brief overview of the awards. Over to you, Pankaj.
Okay, thanks. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay, great. Thanks, and it's a pleasure to be here, and I've been listening. It's very good to see what all we as ACM India have done, and slow start, but we are ramping up the hockey stick curve. So I think that's good. Okay, so about the ACM India Awards, we know that most professional bodies recognize and respect contributions by individuals in their field. That is, in fact, one of the roles of professional bodies. And of course, ACM has been doing that, IEEE has been doing it, various other, um, in the computing field, these would be the two main ones. Goal of ACM India Awards is also the same, to recognize contributions to the field of computing, particularly research and education, which is what ACM really focuses on about this. So this year is the first for three awards that we have started. Doctoral dissertation awards has been there for some time, and the best chapter award is to motivate the chapters to do it. So just a quick background, and I guess why I ended up as a chair. So I've been on the ACM Prize Committee for 3 years. This is my last year there, and I saw how the process works and how it has been very scrupulously done, very rigorously done. And through that discussion with these very eminent people in the committee, I got this idea, why don't we start something, because there was some discussion, why don't we get sufficient number of nominations from countries like India? And that got me started. Why can't we start something in India which may first of all recognize the contributions in India? As we all know, Indian ecosystem for research in any field, but particularly in computing, is relatively small. So if we start recognizing our talent based on benchmarks which are local rather than global, hopefully they will graduate to becoming global this thing. So I propose one this thing is sort of similar to ACM Prize, which finally with discussion got named as Early Career Award. And then of course people got excited when we said, why not a Women's Award, and why not for education also? So that's how these three awards came about. Probably nice stable awards which cover a range: education, research, women contribution, and of course we have PhD already going on. So hopefully this set will last for some time. So we have these awards: Earlier Career Research Award for individuals in early stages of the career who have made outstanding contributions to computing, largely on India, work done in India. Okay, the prize is 15 lakhs, sponsored by Persistent Foundation. So if we were to use it in terms of PPP, this would probably translate to 150,000 US dollars. So we wanted to keep somewhat at the level at which we can. In India, by generally awards are usually lower, but we said, look, we have to respect people. Outstanding contributions to in computing by a woman. So OCCW award, this is for women professionals. This one is not necessarily for research, but women professionals who made contributions to the field of computing as well as empowerment of women in computing. Okay, that there's a prize of 7 lakhs, which has been sponsored by Google. And then outstanding contribution to computing education for individuals who made outstanding contribution to the field of computing education in India. And there's a prize of 7 lakhs, which is sponsored by Microsoft Research India. So these are the three new awards which we got started. The Best Doctoral Research Dissertation Award has been there, as it says, for a decade now. Recognizes the best doctoral dissertation in computer science and engineering for each year. It's sponsored by TCS, who gives a prize of 2 lakhs as well as 1 lakh for honorable mention. And Best Student Chapter Award, this got started in 2015, when the number of chapters grew to more than 100. And this is the best prize of 1 lakh.
Okay, thank you, Pankaj.
Next, I think there is one or two couple of more slides.
Yes,
so
there is.
I think now we have set up some overall process. Earlier, there was only the dissertation and they had their own committee and so on. Now we've set up, the ACM India has set up an overall process for awards. So there is a steering committee of ACM India, which approves the awards and oversees the selection of all the approved awards of ACM India. But for each award, there is a jury. And the jury chair is decided by the steering committee. And then the rest of the jury members are decided in consultation with the chair. And then it's up to the jury. The jury shortlists certain candidates for further discussion, then discusses them, identifies a winner, as well as suggests names of candidates which should be carried forward. Some of the things we learned from ACM Prize. And these recommendations are sent to the steering committee chair, who in turns passes it to the steering committee and for acceptance, and steering committee accepts, and then the winners are congratulated, and then the notifications are sent. So this time we followed this for all of the awards, and then I think the doctoral and this thing were brought into it, which were awards earlier in the existing independent. Next slide, just one or two more slides, and then I'm done. So this is the steering committee. As you can see, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Supratik, Anand, Jayant, me, myself, Hemant Pandey, Sriram, and Chandrasekhar, and Shekhar, as we call it. Okay, so this is the steering committee for the awards. Next, please.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
So I'm done. I'm done. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. So we'll move to the formal award ceremony. Yeah, so we shall start the award ceremony. Of course, from the youngest and most enthusiastic group among us, yes, the student chapters. These chapters have been working online through the pandemic and making life interesting for themselves as well as their fellow mates. Student chapters and their associated activities are the places where next generation leaders and professionals are created. Their enthusiasm and energy gets recognized each year in the form of the Best Student Chapter Award. I would request Rajni Sharma, who is a professor and Dean of Research and Academics at Chitkara University, to tell about the award.
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't have any slides to share, but I would just say what I have to say. So good morning, good afternoon, yes, or good evening. Yeah, suitable greetings to everybody, irrespective of whichever part of the world you are currently sitting in. It's my proud privilege to be part of ACM India Annual Event 2021, although virtually. It's really very, very nice to meet Gabriel, Vicky, Patricia, Hina, Jayant, Hemant, Shekhar, Pankaj, PK, and everybody else who has worked hard to ensure the successful conduct of this event. Well, I have been assigned the responsibility of talking a little bit about ACM India Best Chapter Awards, for which I have been doing the groundwork since last 2 years now, year 2020 and 2021, with all the guidance coming in from Shekhar sir. In 2020, we were able to bring few reforms in the process of selection of best chapter when we brought in the partial automation. But this time in 2021, with portal getting even more intelligent, we were actually able to eliminate a lot of human intervention, and hence there is no subjectivity. Concept is simple. Chapters conduct more number of activities, keeping with an objective to promote the spirit of ACM, as rightly told by Gabrielle in her address, showcase them on social media handles like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, etc., and earn more points. Besides that, there are points about how updated the website of the chapter is, how many ACM members they have added in the calendar year, and how has been their participation in the events organized by ACM India throughout the calendar year, like Compute, ACM India Women Hackathon, National Coding Contest, etc. Many of the events were talked about by Professor Jayant's address as well. Chapter that does all this in the most efficient way wins the trophy of best chapter. And I'm indeed glad in announcing that this time in 2021, we had received total 34 entries. Of course, that is far less as compared to existence of 236 chapters, as we came to know from Professor Jain's address. But these are still more what we had received last year. Last year, we had received 20 odd entries. Out of these 34, which we had received this year, 14 chapters had made to the next round of close scrutiny, and accordingly, PICT chapter won the trophy duly sponsored by ICERTIS. We are indeed extremely thankful to ICERTIS for supporting these awards and indirectly motivating them to do even better year after year. Although PICT chapter has won the Best Chapter Award trophy, and Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering being the first runner-up, and Chitkara University winning the Honorable Mention trophy, but I would definitely like to call out the names of other 11 chapters as well, which had made to the final round. These chapters are Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, so that's my institute as well. IIT ISM Dhanbad, VIT University ACM Student Chapter, USICT ACM Student Chapter, MUJ ACM Student Chapter, Velagapudi Ramakrishna Siddharth Engineering College, RAIT, GMR Institute of Technology, AISS MS IOIT ACM Student Chapter, International Institute of Information Technology, and BBSB EC ACM. These all 11 chapters, other than the 3 who have featured or who have won those coveted awards, were in the close race. Next time in 2022 as well, best chapter would be selected more or less on the same parameters as I talked about those earlier. Although we plan to bring in more of the intent and attempting to meet the global standards in selecting the best ACM student chapter of India. But we'd definitely like to give every chapter a virtual space on newly established ACM India student chapters website, where you can interact with each other, share your best practices, and overall work together to the cause of promotion of competition in everybody's life, more relevant for the society at large. Discussions are on, and more details will be shared with you very soon. Till then, it is time to celebrate for all the award winners. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity, and over to Himangi, please.
Thank you, Rajneesh. Yes, so some formal celebrations. The winners he has already read out, but let's do it with some dhamaka. So the honorable mention student award goes to Chitkara University. So Chitkara University representative, if there is there, he can wave to the audience, and congratulations.
I saw him on the participants list. He's not. Oh, yeah, he's there. Okay.
Yeah.
I think they can switch their video on and say something so that they come on the screen.
And can we have somehow virtual applause as well? So.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm Sarabjit Singh, faculty advisor of Chitkara ACM student chapter. I'm really thankful to the ACM council member and the jury member for providing the opportunity and judging our events. Thanks for the award. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations. Okay,
Yeah,
moving on. The runner-up award goes to Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. Congratulations. If we have their representative, they can turn on their video and say something.
Hello, everyone. Respected dignitaries, faculty colleagues. Able to hear me, madam?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Happy to see such a nice crowd.
You can see the whole team here. So let me start. Yeah, let me start formally, and then I will end up informally. So, respected dignitaries here, faculty colleagues, dear student friends. So, on behalf of PCCOE, ACM chapter, and on behalf of Department of Computer Engineering, I myself, Dr. K. Rajeshwari, is here to say a humble thanks to ACM India. I cannot say in words, since 2012, we are associated with this professional chapter, and you can see the legacy ACM has brought in PCCOE, especially my student team. The skill sets, the multi-dimensional development, starting from building leadership skills as president, vice president, core team, secretary, and they just rocked in every role. So the way they enjoy everything in ACM student chapter needs to be mentioned here. either as an organizing team or as a participating team. Their zeal and enthusiasm, ACM keeps them engaged very positively in all the time. So I just want to mention, because of this, we were able to rock internationally with Outstanding Service Award 2020. Thank you, ACM, for that. And consequently, the past 4 years, 3 times we have been best runner-up. And this is all because of the hard work and the nice mentorship we got from ACM chapter. I cannot forget our mentors, Abhijat sir, Abhijat Vichare sir, Shekhar sir, Tejaswini madam, who were like long time mentors for us. And because of that, you can see the students here, they are not from one particular year. They are from second year, third year, and final year, and alumina. I cannot forget my faculty sponsor, who is nearby me, Rahul, who gets into all the process. You can see my alumina also here. So the best thing is, it has become, ACM has become a feather in PCCOE crown. So thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It was lovely, ma'am, to see all the students and both of you. And at this time, they are all in the college. Very much appreciated. So, okay, the next year's target.
Professor Himangi, that too on a Saturday, late Saturday. That's really,
yes.
Yeah, enthusiasm is really
Ma'am, next year you have to get the winner prize. You have reached the runner-up. You must get the winner next year. Best of luck.
It's really worth it.
Exclusively, because every time I used to say, next time we are aiming for Best Chapter Award. It is not happening. I did not mention. Thank you for that.
Okay, so let's hope for the best. Moving on to the winner of the Best Student Chapter Award is the PICT Student Chapter. So do we have the representative? Congratulations, PICT, for another year of achievement. Yes, do we have anybody from PICT? Okay. Anyway, so if they come up later, we can give them an opportunity to say hello to the community. So we move on with the presentations.
Yeah, good evening, Himangi. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, so we have with us the ICT representative.
Dear Dr. Gabriel, Dr. Vicky, Dr. Patricia, Dr. Hina, Dr. Jayan, Dr. Hemant, Mr. Shekhar, all other ACM dignitaries, Dr. P.T. Kulkarni, Director PICT, event sponsors, award winners, dear student friends and colleagues, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. Achieving success was just beginning. Retaining success is what PICT ACM Student Chapter is achieving. New generation of PICT is taking inspiration from their seniors and continue the legacy of staying ahead all the time. Their true commitment, dedication, and hunger for excellence has contributed to fetch ACM India Best Chapter Award 4th time in a row. Our chapter members plan, organize, and conduct various technical and non-technical activities throughout the year. To name few, our annual flagship event, Pulsion, comprised of 12 sub-events, Paskathon, a hackathon conducted every year to provide a platform for innovation, Radiance, an annual event conducted by PaskW, a sister concern of Pask to promote women in STEM, social events like Hour of Code, where our chapter members teach the coding to school children, walkathon to create health awareness. We conduct various workshops, seminars on cutting-edge technologies. We contribute ACM Eminent Speaker Program. We conduct ACM Eminent Speaker Program and distinguished speaker program. Thanks to the ACM for starting this kind of program that really gives the exposure to the current cutting-edge technologies to the students. We have chapter level special interest groups like web development, Android development, cyber security, machine learning, cloud computing, competitive programming, content writing, and designing. These 6 sessions are generally conducted on weekends. Our students participate in various ACM events like Grasshopper Conference, ACM India Annual Event, IRIS, AICWIC, ACMW Hackathon, ACM Compute, ACM India Regional Event, ACM India National Student Coding Contest, students are getting opportunity to conduct technical activities like website or the mobile app design, coding platforms creation, and non-technical events like the campus decoration, video, and poster preparation. This helps the students to groom qualities like leadership, teamwork, management skills, communication skills, networking, and provides opportunity to interact with eminent personalities from industry and academia. It also helps to enhance their technical knowledge and help for overall personality development. I'll not much time. Lastly, I would like to thank for all their required support, especially to the ACM India for recognizing our efforts. To the ICTs, I would like to thank to ICTs for sponsoring the cash prize of 1 lakh for the winning chapter. I would like to thank our management trustee of City, Honorable Sri R.S. Kothavale, Secretary SCTR, Sri S.M. Shirshikar, Director Dr. P.T. Kulkarni Sir, Principal Dr. R. Srimati for their constant guidance and encouragement. So lastly, we would like to give 3 cheers for PICT.
Celebrations in true sense, Professor Imangi. Can we request Mr. Kale to switch on the camera? She perhaps forgot to switch on the camera.
We can do that at the end when we take the group picture. So that should be fine now. Thank you.
I think in the interest of time,
there will be group picture, right, at the last.
Yes,
in the
time.
interest of time, we wish to finish this in time. So when the ceremony gets over, we'll go for group pictures. Okay, moving on with the celebrations. So ACM India thankfully acknowledges the support from ICERTIS for sponsoring all the student chapter awards. And we have with us Mr. Ankush Joshi from ICERTIS. Mr. Joshi, if you can turn on your camera and say a few words to us. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for inviting me to this event. This kind of reminds me my early days and my participations in similar events. Since moving to industry for quite some time, I've been losing touch, although I'm a user of ACM site at ICERTIS. Congratulations to the all winners. Remember that this is a unique opportunity to build a technical network which you can carry further. It is very important for every one of you to understand that this network which you build, which is going to be similar minding people and the technical focused colleagues, is going to take you long. So make sure you do not miss the value of ACM as a network, in addition to building the excellence, in addition to building the credibility into the technical organization. And you all should know that like PICT has been continuously winning it, but others should be proud that you have recognized it. At ICERTIS, we are very happy to be involved with ACM. We have actually given access to all our engineers with respect to all the ACM library, the digital library. We are users of it. We sponsor the membership. Most of us are heavy users of ACM literature into our R&D efforts. So we are very happy, and as a company, we believe in investing in the young minds. We do all kinds of very, very interesting things with the young talent, and there are actually enough people from the Pune-based schools working in our company as of today. So really good to see that our efforts are recognized and appreciated by everyone, and looking forward to staying associated with ACM. Very impressive reports, very impressive work by the India team as well as globally. So thanks again and congratulations to the winners. Over to you, Hema.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Joshi. Yes, moving on. So every year we have this annual event associated with the ARCS, formerly the IRIS workshop, where research scholars come, present their work, get feedback from eminent researchers. So during these 2 days of the ARCS workshop, we organized the talk of the research scholar who has won the best doctorate dissertation award at the India level. all the students and of course all of us have already attended the talk, and I'm sure most of the research scholars are motivated enough to do quality research to achieve this goal in their future. So let us recognize the award winners through a formal ceremony. For this, I will request our jury chair, Professor Aravind Srinivasan, who is Professor of Computer Science at the University of Maryland, to make the presentation. Over to you, Aravind. I'm showing the slides here.
Thank you, Hemangi. So Supratik had sent me slides. So should I share them, or do you have a copy of the slides?
I have them. If they are the same slides, you can see them on the screen, and yeah.
I think they're pretty similar. So yeah, thank you again. So yes, so I won't read out the entire slides, but let me just point out that these awards have been going on annually since 2011, and we thank our founding sponsor TCS. Yes, so the submissions are approximately in August, and this year there was an extension due to COVID. Can we move to the next slide? Yes, so the calls are sent all over India, and there is a jury panel. This year we had 12 people, computer scientists. This year they were mainly from the US and Canada. We try to avoid scientists from India just so that there is no perception of conflict of interest. And like the slide says at the bottom, really it's a pleasure to see all of computer science and its allied areas represented in the submissions. It's like this. This was the jury panel. As you can see, several people you may recognize here, maybe some of your alums. We worked from August to early December. There were quite fruitful discussions. Next slide, please. Yeah, so there are 22 nominations. And like I said, so by the way, some of us had sub-reviewers as well, but, I think that every dissertation was looked at pretty carefully, and at least by 2 people. The work spanned about 3.5 months. So it's a cliche to say that, giving out awards is difficult, but I think it's really true. It was true in this case. There were many, many strong theses, and we identified at least 9 of them to be worthy of spirited discussion, and then eventually so in fact the awards call for 1 winner and potentially 1 honorable mention, and both were very strong as well as others, and the award was announced on Christmas Day. Next slide, please.
Yeah, so
yes, so let us congratulate Dr. Ruhani Sharma for the Honorable Mention Award for her thesis advancing the algorithmic toolkit for parameterized cut problems, advised by Saket Saurabh.
Yeah, so if she's there, we can ask her to show the award plaque and then wave to us if she's around. Dr. Ruhani?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, this is what I received from ACM.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you, ACM, for this. It is indeed very motivating to receive such an award and being acknowledged for your toil at this capacity. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Rohan.
And all the best in your future work as well.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, and the best dissertation award goes to Dr. Shikhar Vashisht from IISc, neural graph embedding methods for natural language processing, advised by Partha Talukdar and Chiranjeev Bhattacharya. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, that's
congratulations, Shikhar.
Thank you.
All the best to you as well for your future work. So to conclude, I'd like to thank a few people. Of course, the jury, which volunteered significantly. Also, it was a real pleasure to read so many strong theses. So I thank all the people submitting, their endorsers, and so on. And finally, Hemangi Kapoor and Supratik Chakraborty have been, substantial sources of help over the last 3 years when I've been serving on the jury with all forms of logistics and various award details. Thank you both, Hemangi and Supratik, and thanks to Abhiram Ranade and Jayant Haritsa for their warm support as well. It's been a pleasure to serve in this capacity. and all the best to the future submitters as well.
Thank you, Arvind. And it really was a pleasure for us, me and Supratik, also to work with you. And I have learned a lot through the way you work through all the thesis and your patience to read so many, giving them to the proper reviewers. Yes, so a great experience working with you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So ACM India wants to kindly acknowledge the support from TCS for sponsoring the Doctoral Dissertation Award. We have Gautam Shroff from TCS with us. Gautam, if you want to say a few words, please.
Yes, I think Hemant has asked me to keep it brief, so I'll do that. It's been our pleasure to support this award for many years, and we'll continue to do so. And we've been supporting PhDs in India through the Research Scholarship Program, which many of you are familiar with. And we would like to think about this, having done this for 10 years, and would like anyone to give us suggestions on how we can improve it, new things we can do. I think we're open for that discussion now. Congratulations to all the two awardees, and wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so towards the next award now. Okay. So ACM believes that anyone from any background, age, race, gender, nationality should feel encouraged to participate and contribute to the computing community. This diversity brings richness and improves quality of the programs and services. Along these lines, ACM supports and celebrates engagement of women in all aspects of computing. ACM India is no exception. We are happy to recognize the contributions from women professionals by our next award for outstanding contributions in computing by a woman. I would request Neelam to make the presentation, please.
Thank you, Hemangi. Hello, everyone. This is Neelam Dhawan, and I did chair the discussions we had on this award. This award is to recognize women professionals who have made fundamental, innovative, and impactful contributions to computing field, predominantly in India. And the award carries a prize of ₹7 lakhs. The committee and the jury met multiple times. It was exciting to see that we had a number of nominations, both from industry and academia. Being the first year, we found that we had many more than we expected, and the jury found it difficult to select just one winner. Well, Hemant and team put pressure on us that we need to come to the best winner and select. And we agreed that the 5 we were unable to come to conclusion on in this year, we will carry forward as a nominees for the next year too, because those 5 were equally strong candidates. It was interesting to see the areas of research. Our focus was to look at the papers published. We went through a lot of those papers which had been published by individuals. At the same time, from the industry, we looked at what kind of patents an individual had generated. So interestingly, the winner had done both, have papers presented as well as have patents in her name. And that gave us a lot of encouragement to see how work is getting done in India. This is a very motivating award for women in compute and technology. And I believe that we have selected the right winner this year. Hemangi, can we go? Yes. And the outstanding contribution in computing by a woman goes to Dr. Ranjita Bhagwan of Microsoft Research India. Congratulations, Ranjita.
Thank you so much, Neelam, and thank you for all that insight into the process. That was great to hear. Here's the plaque. Thank you so much, ACM India, for this award. I'd like to just take a minute to thank all my collaborators and mentors over the years, without whom this would not have been possible. Thank you very much. Back to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjita. Thank you, Neelam. So we also want to thank Google for sponsoring this award. So we have Dr. Manish Gupta from Google Research. So Manish, you want to say a few words?
Sure. Thanks, Hemangi. So it was a really privilege to support this award, because we know all the, not just the winners, the finalists, They're going to be amazing role models for young researchers, especially and professionals, especially women. So I'd like to thank the jury for their diligence and again in selecting a wonderful winner. So congratulations, Ranjita, and wishing you further success in your career. And I'm sure you'll inspire lots of young researchers who are looking to you as a role model, especially women. So again, thank you all for this opportunity and best wishes.
Thank you, Manish. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, and I quote, "Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me," unquote. ACM India extends its recognition for contributions to teaching by our professionals. These include not only good teaching practices, but developing methods and tools which would help the teaching community to deliver their tasks using various media, especially in the new normal created by the pandemic. I would request Professor Pathak to make the presentation please, for the next award, Outstanding Contribution to Computing Education. Professor Pathak, please.
Greetings, everybody. I'm delighted to present a brief on the award selection process. As Natalie already said, this is to recognize individuals who have done very fundamental, innovative, and most importantly, impactful contributions to the computing education in India. This award carries a prize of rupees 7 lakhs and has been sponsored by Microsoft Research. We had a very strong jury, actually, almost a global jury in the sense. We had Professor Balkrishnan, Manish Gupta, who just spoke to us some time ago from Google Research, Susan Roger from Duke University, Dr. Anil Sahasrabuddhe, who incidentally is chairman of the All India Council of Technical Education, and is responsible for quality education for over 5 million professional students studying at any time in India. And of course, we had the great Professor Sartaj Sahni from University of Florida. We received 11 nominations, including one female candidate. By the way, I forgot to mention that we actually had one more jury member, Professor Meena Madhavan. But when one of the nominations that we received turned out to be someone who was her close relative, she immediately recused herself from the committee work. So we had 11 nominations, all very good nominations, including one female nomination. We had to deliberate a lot. We actually shortlisted 3 for the final round. In fact, we had a shortlist of 5 earlier. There's a lot of debate because they were really good nominations. Well, one is chosen as winner. The other 2 are carried forward to next year as strong candidates. And Hemangi is kind enough to show that the outstanding contribution to computing education is awarded to Professor Sridhar Iyer of IIT Bombay for promoting computing education research in India through guiding PhD students, developing instructional materials for teachers, implementing outreach at a very large scale, and providing consultancy to the tech industry. Thank you.
Congratulations, Professor Sridhar. If you are there, you can say hello and say a few words, please.
Yeah, thank you. And as per your instructions, I am holding the award up and I'm leaving to the audience.
Thank you so much. That's lovely.
All right, thank you. I'll not take up any more time.
Thank you, Sridhar, and congratulations for this achievement. Okay, so a great thank you and acknowledgement to Microsoft for sponsoring this award. So we have Dr. Satish Sangameshwaran from MSRI. So Dr. Satish, if you want to say a few words, please.
Yeah, thank you, Hemangi. And Microsoft Research is really very privileged, and it's a pleasure to be associated and support this award. The Abdul Kalam quote that you prefaced at the start of this award is so apt and really, reflects, the spirit behind the award. Congratulations, Professor Sridhar Iyer, and to all the other award winners across all categories. And we cannot end without commending ACM India for this fantastic initiative of instituting these awards in different categories. We're sure it will give a great fillip to research and education in this country. So thank you again. We're very happy to be part of this.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you. So Albert Einstein said, and I quote, "Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning." Yes, we have young researchers who did not stop thinking and questioning and achieved accolades very early in their career. ACM India is happy to recognize them through the Early Career Researcher Award. I am requesting Sudarshan to make the presentation.
Thanks, Hemangi. This is, along with some of the other awards, the first year that we are presenting this. And the goal is to recognize researchers who are early in their career. And early, as defined here, is within 12 years of their PhD. And the things we look for are for fundamental, innovative, and impactful contributions to the computing field, while primarily working in India. So if somebody has worked outside and come back, we give more weightage to what they have done in India. And this award carries a prize of rupees 15 lakhs for the winner. And just for this year, we also have an honorable mention for the simple reason that this award has a timeout, and we had excellent set of candidates, and several of whom would basically be timing out of the 12-year this year. So as a special case, ACM agreed to give an honorable mention this year. The jury consisted of Vipin Kumar from University of Minnesota, Venkat Padmanabhan from Microsoft Research India, Jaikumar Radhakrishnan from TIFR, Sunita Saravagi from IIT Bombay, Moshe Vardi from Rice University, who was also past editor-in-chief of CSEM, for example, Gerard Wycombe from Max Planck, and I was the chair of this jury. We had 21 nominations, and each of these nominations was read in detail by 3 jury members who also looked up the publications and other ways to measure the impact of people's research. And we rated and ranked these, and we created a short list of 6 candidates, all of whom are absolutely excellent. It was a real pleasure to see top-notch work being done in India. And this is also feedback we got from people like Moshe and Gerard, who have been, at the top of their areas. We had, after shortlisting, we also got external feedback on some of the candidates, and we had an online meeting finally to decide amongst these candidates. This award is sponsored by Persistent Foundation. Next slide, please. So first, we'll mention the honorable mention, and we're very happy that Professor Uday Reddy Bondugula of IISc Bangalore has received this for its fundamental contributions in advancing the theory and practice of polyhedral compilation frameworks and their use in scientific computing, image processing, and deep learning application domains. He has had both the research impact and also industry impact. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Uday. If he's there, he can.
Thank you very much. I'm very pleased and feel honored to have received this award. So thank you.
A little higher.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now for the main Early Career Researcher Award. The winner is Professor Saket Saurabh of Institute of Mathematical Sciences in Chennai. And the citation is for his fundamental contributions to the area of parameterized complexity, including methods for showing algorithmic lower bounds and meta theorems for polynomial time preprocessing. And I should mention that Saket did his work, his PhD in India, and after a short postdoc has come back, and his entire work has been done in India, and he has a really remarkable body of work in this area. And so congratulations, Saket.
Saket, if you are in the meeting, if you can show your award and wave to the audience, please.
Can you see? Where is the award?
You can hold it in your front because the virtual screen, it is going away. Yeah, that's better. Congratulations.
Thank you. let me take a minute and say a few words. Okay, so first of all, thank you to ACM for giving this award. It is very inspiring. And let me take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues, collaborators, mentors, without whom this would not have been possible. A special thanks to all my students who worked tirelessly for last 10 years, and also to my family for my erratic deadlines and everything, and keeping it a bit. So thanks to everybody. Without them and their support, this would not have been possible. So thank you very much.
Hey, Saket, can we make another attempt to hold it up so that the screenshot can be taken?
Is it visible?
I think that virtual background makes it a ghost image, I think. But that's okay.
Let's change it.
We'll take another special picture of you later.
Okay.
Or if you want to change the background, yes.
Okay, so let me try none. Is it better?
Come higher. Sideways and higher, because otherwise it will block your face. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Saket, and a real motivation for all the young academicians. ACM India acknowledges support from Persistent Foundation, who are the sponsors for the ECR award. We have Madam Sonali and Dr. Anand Deshpande from Persistent. Thank you for your support and taking time to attend the event. May I request Ma'am Sonali to say a few words, please?
Hello and good evening to everyone. I'd firstly like to congratulate Saket for being the winner of the Early Career Researcher Award. And also a special mention to Professor Uday for being a special mention. And I'm happy to see and very encouraged to see that there is already a lot of competition in this area where there are so many candidates who are coming up and are eligible for being recognized for their achievements in their early careers. I would also like to thank ACM and the jury for helping us to find these winners, these gems in the computer science field. And I hope to seek their guidance and help through the next many years of sponsoring this award. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much and congratulations again.
Thank you, Sonali, and for the promise of continuing your support for the future years. It really is encouraging to the young researchers. So all things have to come to a closure to enable new beginnings. I would request Venkatesh Raman, Secretary of ACM India Council, to present the vote of thanks and close today's session. Thank you. Over to you, Venkatesh.
Thank you. Can you hear me and see me? Yes. Okay. So this almost brings the curtains to the end of the award ceremony, the ACM annual event, and the allied meetings we had starting from ACMW workshop 4 days ago. It's also a culmination of an effort of a lot of people for almost a year, and it is my honor and duty to thank all those who made this successful. Special thanks to distinguished speakers, because after all said and done, it is just what you heard and what you saw is what is going to last long. Participants, also thank distinguished guests, President, COO and CEO from ACM headquarters who've joined at odd hours. Thank the session chairs of various sessions, including annual event, as well as ACMW, ARCS, including our newfound journalist, PJN, sponsors, including of various awards, steering committee and program committee of the ACMW and ARCS, who've been meeting almost every week or every month for the last several months. All council members for their support and participation. Himangi for conducting and anchoring this entire award ceremony. And this technical team, which is a very, very, very important team. Suresh Palasamy, Senthil Kumaran, Shekhar, Abhijat, Arun, Sonia, Nildara, and Ruthvi. I'm sure this is a team which is going to be very relieved today and going to go for a celebration after this. And last but not the least, the organizing team from PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, including Nadarajan, Ranga Rajagopal, Suresh Balasamy, several others, and all volunteers. And last but not the least, all participants who stayed all along, and all committee, jury members, awardees, everybody who joined this event. And we hope to see you all in Coimbatore for next year ACM annual event. Thank you very much. Just a reminder that council members, we will meet you in about half an hour with the ACM headquarters.
Yeah,
thank you,
Venkat. Thank you. So this brings to a formal closure of today's events. Thank you to all the dignitaries and participants. So, Dhanyavad, Shubharatri.